Unit 1, Lab 5. Most of you did the code in this lab already in your game, so this is really just a review. Right? So sometimes you want two sprites to interact with each other to have some kind of game functionality. So most of you did that already. So this, again, is a review. So create a new Snap project, open Snap, and go to the File menu, Save As, and then type in a name. Unit 1, L5, Sprite Chase. Oops, I didn't want to press share, save, right? So it's good to keep your names organized. All right, now we're gonna think about what this script does and now build the script and run it. And to stop your script, remember you can press this green flag sign, all right? So everybody build this script now. Just to remember that this drop-down menu gives you some options, okay? So when I run this now, the mouse controls the sprite, just going around, 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 all right? And then to stop that from happening, you press the stop key. Again, when I click, okay. All right, so does it do what you expected? I hope so. Programming a second sprite. Create a second sprite by clicking here, all right? You all should know this by now. And let's change their names. So if I click on Sprite, up here, I can change its name to Leader. And I can change Sprite 2's name up here easily to Follower. I believe I can also do it by right-clicking. Nope. Okay, yeah, so you click on it, and up here is where you change its name. Okay, make sure you have the follower sprite selected. Boom. Write a script for follower so that once the green flag is clicked, it will point toward leader forever. All right. Okay, so I get a forever, I've got one of these point towards, and then I have to change this to leader. And now, oh, what's happening? I gotta press the green flag. Okay, now I have this thing going on. My mouse moves the leader and the follower just keeps pointing towards it. Who are you looking at? Until I press the stop sign. Save your work. Pressing Control S is the easiest way to save work, or you can go here. Page 2, Sprite following a sprite. On this page, you will change the script so that the sprites don't move forever, but only until they touch. Okay, step 1, change follower's code to point towards leader only until it is touching leader. The following instructions show how. Okay, we're going to change follower's code. I'm going to pause. Okay, so we're replacing forever with repeat until, and then in the sensing palette, we have this touching button. Repeat until touching what? Until touching leader, point towards leader. Okay, let's see. See, now when I run it, does it work? And then boop, and then it stops following. Okay, do the same for leader. Change its code to follow your mouse only until it is touching follower. All right, so I'm going to click here. All right, so now I've changed this code, so repeat until touching, oop, I gotta change this, touching follower, go to mouse pointer. Okay, now when I press the green flag, let's see, following, and then boop, and then all the action stops. Okay. So far, follower points towards leader but doesn't move towards it. So we're going to add a line of code so that it chases leader. Here's the idea. Okay. Point towards, I'm going to go to the follower, and I'm going to add a move thing in, okay? So now when I run it, what happens? I need to detach these first. See, here's the problem. They're already touching. Let me get them apart from each other first. Now run it. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's going really fast. He's going really fast. Ah! Okay, so if you want to slow that action down, you can play around with this number. Like if I make it 5 steps. Oh, again, I think I got to pull them apart in order to start this. It's a little slower, the action. So if you guys did like Star Hunter or other games, changing that move field changes how difficult the game is. Okay, now the final thing is when the sprites meet, they just stop. Make them have a conversation when they stop. So here is an example. You can make it have any conversation you want. All right, now on your own, make the sprites have a conversation with each other. Okay, notice you're just going to add that outside the forever block. And notice that this tell block works kind of like broadcast, but the script for what to do is on the same sprite. All right, so with broadcast, you have to add the code to a different sprite. This, the code stays on that sprite. All right, you should be able to finish this today. Have a good day.